Banya Dr. Meili Jacoit, President of AII Language Center, Mr. Supi Emle, President of AIS, Madam Yanarua, Campus Director, Deputy Campus Directors, Head Teachers, Teachers, parents, and fellow graduates. Welcome to AII 25th graduation ceremony. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started. If you hear a voice within you that say, you cannot do it, by all means, do it. Then the voice will be silent. Sooner or later, the ones who succeeded are the ones who think they can. In my most dignified bearing, my name is Jiaen. I am 17 years old and proud to represent the GEP program, Level 12, graduates of Batch 2023. I would like to congratulate my fellow graduates for accomplishing their goals. When I first started studying here, I remember needing more confidence and not realizing my potential to communicate through English. I did not particularly appreciate attending classes because I was afraid to speak even though I was social and talkative. There were times when I wanted to ask questions but was afraid to. However, due to AII's friendly environment, excellent teachers and friends, I was able to open up and to express myself in many different ways. Moreover, I was allowed to speak in front of my classmates as well as to experience delivering presentations in the auditorium. Apart from all of what I have just mentioned, I have also noticed that my English ability have gradually improved during the time spent here. I could read, write, and listen to a variety of things in English. And to come this far could have been a very challenging path for me if it wasn't because of the help of my teachers. They are the ones that I look up to because they make every obstacle seem possible to overcome. My teachers are the ones who encourage me to go to school every day. They are the ones who taught, who trains, who provide consultations on how I can make progress and developments in my academic performance. And if you were to ask me how much I enjoyed classes here, there would be much to talk about because not only could I read, write, and listen better, but I have also discovered one of my talents in sales. Back when I was in level 11B, I realized that I was very good at interacting with customers. Back then, when my teacher assigned me a community project where I have to come up with something new along with my fellow classmates, we have decided to sell accessories such as handmade bracelets and raisin rings. And as a team leader, I was enthusiastic. I spent days and nights looking for where to get those products from. And after getting things together, as a result, we sold up to around 100 handmade bracelets and around 50 raisin rings in just 2 days. It was unbelievable. This amazing opportunity has taught me a lot. It has taught me how to work with different types of people, how to work more effectively in a group, how to attract more buyers, as well as to understand the cost and the profit of selling. In addition to this experience, AII had also given me an amazing opportunity to be the master of the ceremony or the MC for kids' Christmas event, which I have never thought that I would ever get a chance to, because being an MC is what I have always dreamed of and what I have always been interested in. And finally, I was given the chance to. But most importantly, what I really learned is that English is not just about mastering complex grammar or vocabulary words, but we all study English in order to communicate and to build connection with each other. I am more than thankful to be a student here because I have significantly improved with everyone here at AII. I'd like to thank Dr. Meili for establishing AII Language Center, my teachers and friends for being a part of this amazing journey. And to all my fellow graduates out there, congratulations. And I encourage you to try harder and achieve more goals, and keep in mind that nothing is ever impossible if only you are willing to put all the efforts into trying. Lastly, I wanted to thank my mom, who has always been there by my side, who supported me through every situation. Standing here, I am proud to say that my mom has inspired me into becoming a person who is confident, who is strong-minded, who will speak and spread words of affirmations. Once again, thank you for your time, and may your path lead you to a very successful future. Thank you.